Hi all. So this yellow hands you can see. So I'll tell you the story about it later. So today we celebrate Devi as Mahagauri. So why did this name Mahagauri come means when she was penencing the Lord to marry Lord Shiva. So when Shiva agreed to marry her, since she would have penenced for thousands and 10,000s of years, she would have been full of dirt and dust. And also then Lord Shiva, if you say Lord Shiva sprinkled Ganga Jal, but that means Ganga water, and if you say he took help of Ganga Devi and washed her dirt, everything, and also that time she becomes very white and very beautiful with a white sari. So that is how it is said. And there is one more story, one more version also, right? That is after killing Rakta Bijasur and those demons and all, she will be black, right? So that time she couldn't change her color. So that time she penances to Lord Brahma, and Lord Brahma tells her to go and take bath in Manas Sarovara, and then she takes bath in Manas Sarovara and she regains her white color back. That is how it is said. And Maha Gauri means Maha means extreme and Gauri means white. So that is the meaning of the name. So people who pray to her, she blesses them with lot of goodness and salvation. They also say that she is a symbol of pure deep and devotion and purity. And then coming to the color of today, it is red color or dark red, or I am wearing maroon, the shade of red. And then coming to Prasadam, we have that complete festival style lunch or Prasadam today. But the Prasadam is sweet pongal, or you can keep just sugar also. So in today's extra facts or extra things, I told you that I will tell you few rituals which will be followed, right? So I will tell you few rituals which is being followed in our house, which I have not mentioned till now. So every day we do puja to door, and we keep dots also of haldi and kumkum. We keep dots also over there. So I will show you that also. And then we do puja to small girls also. Yesterday I was mentioning in Kolkata rituals, Kolkata Durga Puja rituals. They do Kumari Puja. So here also in South India also, few people follow the Kumari Puja. They do puja for small girls and consider them as Devi, and they do puja for her. And then in our house, we follow to give tambulam to one married woman every day. So the tambulam will be kept of lot of different varieties of things over there. So I might put some picture of that. And before giving tambulam, we apply haldi to their face, hands, and legs, and that is what this is. I have applied haldi today to somebody, and that is what it is. So we give tambulam to one person every day. And then Chandi Parayana is done all these 9 days. Chandi Parayana means Durga Saptashati Parayanam. So the Saptashati is being read few chapters or few shlokas considerably to complete within these 9 days. And at the end they do Chandi Homa also. This is of Chandi Parayana. I'll tell you one more ritual also, which is being followed by Jains. The ritual over there is about fasting. So they do fasting for 1 to 8 days, and on 9th day they will not do, or 8 and 9 day they will not do. And the fasting will be like if people who do Navratri Vrat, so that which means praying to God and doing puja to God, to the Devi. So that time they eat food. They eat food only for one time, and that one time as they do puja, and after that they should not get up. They should sit and over there only and eat. They should not get up. And other thing is they do vratam only on fruits and water. So that is how it is there. And our PM Modi also does a lot of fasting during the Navratri. So he has been doing it from past 40 years. So and then coming to the dolls showing, today I'll be showing you the Gajendra Mokshan and the Ganesha, which is over there in our house, the Ganesha collection. So let's see what's it.
This is the Gajendra Moksha story I was talking about. So here the elephant is the Gajendra, where he will be the king of the elephants. When all the elephants reach the water pond, the crocodile captures the elephant and will not leave for long time and long days also, they say, months also. And then while the elephant started to pray to Lord Vishnu, and the Lord Vishnu comes and kills the crocodile, is said. And elephant was able to pray to Lord Vishnu because of his previous birth. In his previous birth, he will be one king, where a sage will tell him that you will be born as an elephant in next life, because the sage was angry and the king did not invite him. So these are the Ganesha collections in our house. This is the parrot. This is bought newly this year. there's a ritual for this also, that every year one new doll should be added. So these are the dolls which is born and added this year.
So for tomorrow, the extra fact or extra thing will be, I will be telling you about a ritual called Banni Puja, and then about the Ayuth Puja and those things and all also I will be. And if you guys like the background and like these spots, so please do comment below, because that is made by my mother. I have told you in the past videos.